Hi, I'm Yolanda Ransom, Maximize Your Money Maven. I am excited to announce that I have two main speaking topics that I'm going to be teaching on in 2020, and I'm going to tell you about them. So I know that many people are overwhelmed, stressed out, and confused about their finances. And while it does take work and commitment to master your money, it's actually a whole lot easier to do than you think. In my talk, 5 Steps to Take Charge of Your Money in 30 Days, I explain 5 steps to help you take control and regain control of your money in just 30 days. So you can finally get on top of your money and you can build your emergency savings fund, get debt free, save for your dream vacation, or whatever your dream may be. With these 5 steps, I show how to get organized, focused, and consistent in managing your money so that you can have continued financial success in achieving your goals. With my other speaking topic, I talk about how to successfully use credit, 11 ways to make your credit score soar. Because the truth is, in our society, credit scores are absolutely vital to financial mobility and success. Having a good or excellent credit score allows access to certain jobs, housing, and other financial opportunities. On the other hand, credit scores are the bane of existence for individuals who have had financial setbacks or challenges in the past and find that a low credit score is holding them back from their dreams. Here I teach 11 successful ways to improve your credit score. With what I teach here, clients have had significant increases in their credit scores in just a few short months. If you're an organization and you have a corporate financial wellness program or an employee lunch and learn series, or you offer financial literacy workshops or women's financial empowerment programs, and you're looking for a leader, a workshop leader, or a speaker, then connect with me here on LinkedIn. Send me a message, and I am happy to share my speaker packet with you. Or if you know of an organization or someone at an organization who's looking for a speaker like this for their programs, then please feel free to have them connect with me here on LinkedIn or share this video with them. Thank you so much and have a wonderful, wonderful day.